It's like jelly. So I put it on the wrong way, but now I got it figured out. I just don't like how it's still... It still doesn't come out, like it's not very thick. Maybe I should use the steel one. So we got the grease gun to work, and we greased our own fifth wheel. That's taking care of you.
I am heading to my delivery in Indiana, and we have literally like 0% visibility. Okay, maybe we could say like 1%, or maybe even 5% visibility. But I'm sticking to more like 0%. I mean, I don't know. It's really hard to show you how low visibility it is because it's nighttime and the GoPro don't really catch the reality of it, but it's pretty bad. Oh, we got a weight limit sign. We might even be on a non-truck route. Whoopsie-daisy. I mean, at this point, it is what it is. I just gotta get to my delivery. Now, it's crazy, you get to the last like 10 miles. Let's see, here's another weight limit sign. Can't. 12 tons, so 24,000 pound weight limit restriction on this road for tractor trailer. So I'm definitely not supposed to be on this road, and I can kind of see why. So lesson learned. Hopefully we don't run into any bridges, low bridges, or any surprises, because with this dense fog right now, man, we wouldn't be able to see it. It would just come out of nowhere. This should be interesting. We only got literally 10 miles until the delivery. The worst thing about it, even on top of the low visibility and all the dense fog, we're going down this country road, and this is an Indiana country road, and they're super small and skinny, and trucks are not meant for these roads. I don't care what anybody says. And so add to the mix that we're super tired, and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're on a non-truck route with all this dense fog on Indiana roads that trucks aren't really supposed to be on. And that makes for a very interesting day. I'm just glad there's no other cars out here, because boy, that would suck. Alright, so we finally made it. Like, we went 5 miles of that hell through that dense fog, but we finally made it to blacktop territory. So this is like actual normal roadway. Like, we can deal with this. I mean, the roads are still skinny and still Indiana roads, but we can definitely deal with this. So I think we're smooth sailing from here, and the visibility is much better. It's just when you're in those, like, you're cutting through like those thick country roads, them farm roads, and like you got crops on both sides of you with rich soil, and the fog is just everywhere surrounding you. Now we're only a few, we're like 6 miles away, but it's blacktop all the way. You know, I mean, this road is actually taken care of. It's a main road. We happened to just take the wrong back road to try to be more fuel efficient, and it kind of backfired on us. it looked like an Amish buggy, a little Amish family fell into the ditch there on the side of the on the State Road 13 in Indiana here. It didn't look too bad. I caught the last minute of it. It looked like a farmer in a sprayer tractor had pulled off to the side and was trying to help pull them out of the ditch. Can't be drinking and driving in them buggies either. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure their horse just got out of hand, but it just goes to show it, you know, horse and buggy can be dangerous too. I want McDonald's and it's right up there, and there's nowhere to park. I could go to the truck stop, but it's full right now, so I'm gonna pull up here in the middle of the intersection and I'm gonna park there for a minute while I go get me some food. I'm not gonna eat in, I'm not gonna do that to people, but I'm definitely gonna go get me some Mickey D's, because I mean, I could hog up this right lane, but I'm not gonna do that either. I'm just gonna pull, I think, right up here. My truck, that's what happens when your semi truck don't fit. Like, make it accessible to truckers. All right, let's make our run for it. I feel like such an outlaw for parking in the middle lane and going up in the McDonald's, but I got the bag. I secured the bag. McDonald's bacon kind of sucks, man. Not bad.